Alrighty, here we go. Another installment of cold starts. It is a very frigid 80 degrees. Actually, it's like 83-ish inside the shop. I'm gonna do a cold start in the old Model A. I already checked the oil. Everything's ready to go. Other than I put my key in, which I'll do right now. That's hiding. Alright, keys in. So let's see what happens. No choke on this particular vehicle, because you really don't need a choke in the cold climates like this. So I'll turn my key on. And we are in neutral. Yep, we got neutral. I'm going to give it a couple pumps. I know there's no gas in the carburetor, so it might take a little bit longer than normal. But we'll see. Almost. 2 more pumps and I think we're golden.